If you have data in a row and you want it in a column, or you have data in a column and you want it converted into rows, this is the video for you. There are two ways to go about this. One is a kind of one-off static way to do it. The other is a more automated way using a function. Up first, the one-time static way. Go ahead and highlight the data you want transferred. Hit Control and C to copy the data. Now, we don't want just normal paste, we want special paste. Click here to special paste and then select Transposed Special Paste option. And your data is going to be displayed across columns instead of across rows. You can do the same thing by copying the data across columns and transposing it into rows. If you want to be a show-off, we also have a function that can do this with the very original name of equals transpose. Overall, it's pretty straightforward. Click on the cell that you want the transposing to occur in and type equals transpose with an open parentheses. Next, a surprise to absolutely nobody, highlight the area you want to transpose. Click enter, and the rows are now columns and the columns are now rowed. Get it? They're rowboats. One last thing to note, if you need to edit or delete this function, click the top left cell. That's the one housing the data. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and give the video a like. If you're struggling with a certain Excel topic, make sure to put it in the comments below and I'll make a video to help you out on it. Thanks again.